Hello there, and welcome to this CSWatch OCR J276 video where we are going to be looking at how we can improve system performance. So we're going to be looking at how to improve system performance, what can be added to improve a system as well. First of all, let's look at the RAM. That's a quite easy place to start looking at. If you've only got a small amount of RAM in your PC, 2 gig, 4 gig, the computer might have virtual memory starting to kick in to take off some of the strain and be able to have everything loaded. If you add more RAM into your hard drive, you've got the space for it on your motherboard, the more applications can be opened, the more intensive applications can be opened, the more documents you can have opened. There's different RAM types which exist for different purposes, so make sure you're looking at using the right RAM type, that it's fast access and that it will work with your operating system as well. Some operating systems you can only have so much RAM allocated to it and then it will just ignore the rest. If you've already got a large amount of RAM in your computer, so 16 gigs for example, if you increase that, they might not actually make much difference though. Only increasing the RAM if you've only got a small amount of RAM would really work, because if not, you're just going to have more RAM open and it's just not going to get used, it's just going to sit there. Another way you can increase the performance system is adding by GPU. Some people call them graphics cards. GPUs are specially designed processors for handling images and graphics. So straight away, with my gaming PC, I've got a nice GPU in there because I play a lot of World of Warcraft. Because of that, GPU, it's got extra processing power to help out the CPU. So straight away, there's another core in there which can help out the processing, but it's got a particular focus on images and graphics. Most motherboards have basic GPUs which are on board to them. You'll see like a little blue VGA port, that's the onboard GPU, but dedicated GPUs are available and most gamers use them because it gives them that extra cutting edge, that extra bit of processing power. A lot of desktop PC games require GPUs now as a minimum requirement. High-end GPUs can be used for computer gaming to increasing FPS, which is frames per second, so the reality of it, and for graphic-intensive software. They're also used a lot in a series of GPUs for Bitcoin mining, because there's an extra processor for the computer to be using for Bitcoin mining. So, if we add more RAM to a system, it can make it more smooth running. If we add extra GPUs, it can help the CPUs out process images and graphics as well as other pieces of data. I hope this video has been helpful for you. I hope you're happy with a couple of examples we've looked at here for improving system performance by adding different pieces of hardware, and I shall see you in a future video. See you later.